Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quick and easily reverse a video on TikTok. First, let's open the app, and then I'm going to record a video quickly. So I'll simply click on the plus right there, and then record a video. After you've recorded the video now, you simply click on the tick on the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to select effects at the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to select time right there. You'll drag it across and select time. Then you can select reverse, as you can see there, and after you have selected reverse, you simply click on save in the top right hand corner. And then you'll select next and post your video, and that's it.